Nobody tells you this about growing up. They tell you about success. They tell you about dreams. They tell you about love, money, independence, and healing. But nobody tells you about this part, the quiet part, the part where life doesn't fall apart dramatically. It just slowly becomes heavier. At some point, you wake up one day and realize you don't feel excited the way you used to. Not sad, not broken, just neutral. You still laugh, you still function, and you still show up. But something inside you feels like it's constantly waiting, waiting for things to make sense, waiting for clarity, waiting for yourself to feel like yourself again. And the scariest part, there's no name for this feeling. There's one question for the audience I would like to ask. Have you ever felt like life is moving, but emotionally standing still? Nobody tells you that growing up means outgrowing people you still love. Not because they hurt you, not because they did something wrong, but because your inner world changed and theirs didn't. And there's no closure for that. No fight, no goodbye, no explanation needed. Just distance. And you feel guilty for it because how do you explain to someone that you didn't live them? You just became different. This is the loneliness people don't talk about. Not the I have no one loneliness, but the I have people, but I don't feel understood loneliness. You can be surrounded and still feel unseen. You can be loved and still feel emotionally alone. And that's when you stop explaining yourself. Not because you don't want to be heard, but because you're tired of translating your soul. There's another question that I want to ask the audience. When was the last time someone truly understood you without you explaining everything? Growing up is when you stop chasing potential and start choosing peace. You stop asking, what could this become? And start asking, what and how does this make me feel right now? You leave conversations that drain you. You step back from things that confuse you. You stop proving your worth, not because you gave up, but because you finally understood that peace is not something you earn, it's something you protect. People think you became cold. You didn't. You just stopped reacting to everything. You realized not every emotion deserves a response. Not every opinion deserves your energy. Not every person deserves access to you. Silence becomes your boundary, and distance becomes self respect. Do you feel like you have become quieter over the years or just more aware? Here's the truth nobody prepares you for. Growing up doesn't feel like winning. It feels like understanding. Understanding that some dreams change, some people leave, some answers never come, and some versions of you had to disappear. And that doesn't mean you failed, it means you evolved. If you are in that phase of life where nothing feels wrong but nothing feels right either, you are not lost. You're just becoming someone who no longer fits into old versions of life. And that phase, it doesn't need fixing, it needs patience.